Good morning, children. Sairam. Last class, we saw in exercise number 2, 3.2, addition, right? Addition of sums, right? Now we are going to continue with the same. Shall we? Yes. Now, first we'll revise that sum and again we'll move on to the next sums. Yes. So, first one, exercise number 3.2. Copy this in your notebook, children. You have to copy whatever I'm teaching now. You're going to copy that in your notebook. First sum 3863 and 4978 you're going to add. How will you add two numbers? Yes, first you have to add the ones place, then the tens place, then hundreds and the thousands, isn't it? Shall we add now? It's already given in the box. It is already given in the exact places, right? So now we are going to add the ones place. Shall we add? Yes, 3 plus 8. Now tell me the answer now, children. Add 3 and 8 and tell me the answer now. 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger, or else after 3, keep 3 in mind. After 3 you're going to add 8, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've added 8 numbers. After 3, 11. So if I add 3 to 8, the answer is 11. So what will you do? You will write 11 directly? No. So what you have to do? Write 1 here and this 1 is carried forward to the next place. What is the next place? Tens place. This 1 is carried forward to the tens place. So I have carried forwarded the 1 to the tens place. Now shall we add now? Yes. Don't forget to add the carry over. You have to add this 1 also. Okay. Now add 1 and 6. While adding 3 numbers, what you have to do? First take the first 2 numbers and then from that answer you add the next number. Yes, 1 plus 6. Add 1 and 6. Or else 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. After 6 you are going to add 1. After 6, 7. And from this 7, I'm going to add one more 7. 7 plus 7. Now tell me, if you add 7 and 7, what will be the answer? 7 in the mind. You're going to add 7. After, you're going to keep 7 in the mind and you're going to add 7 more to it. Shall we add now? After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 7, I'm going to add 7 numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is also a 2-digit number. What will you do? Yes, write this 4 here and this 1 is carried forward to the next place. What is the next place? It is carried forward to the hundreds place now. So write 4 here. Then now shall we add the hundreds place now? Yes. 1 plus 8. Add 1 and 8 and tell me the answer now. 1 plus 8 or else 8 plus 1. Yes. After 8, you're going to add 1. 8 plus 1. After 8, 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. With this 9, I'm going to add the third number. What is the third number? 9. Shall we add this 9 plus 9? 9 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So write 8 here and 1 is carried forward. 1 should be carried over to the next place. That means the thousands place. So now shall we add the thousands place now? Yes. Now add 1 plus 3 and tell me the answer now, children. Right? Add 1 plus 3. After 1 you're going to add 3 numbers. After 1, keep 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. With this 4, I'm going to add the next number. What is the next number to add? 4. Add 4 plus 4 and tell me the answer now. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, it's a single digit number. So, write that directly. So, what is the answer? 8,841. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Second one, we are going to add 5,937 and 2,498. Shall we add this? Yes. First to add, we are going to add the ones place, right? So first add this 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 and tell me the answer now, children. You're going to add 7 with 8. After 7, you're going to add 8 numbers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. So this is a two-digit number, right? So write 5 in the ones place, and this 1 is carried over to the next place. What is the next place? Tens place. See, I have carried over that 1 to the next place. This is the carry over. Right. So next what I have to do? First I have added the ones place. 7 plus 8 is 15. So write 5 in the ones place and carry. This 1 should be carried over to the tens place. Now what we have to do? Now add the tens place now. Now shall we add the tens place? Yes. 1 plus 3. Add 1 and 3 and tell me the answer now. 1 plus 3. After 1 we are going to add 3. After 1, 2, 3, 4. With this 4 we are going to add. With this 4 we are going to add 9. Now tell me 4 plus 9. After 4 we are going to add 9 numbers, right? After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the answer? 4 plus 9? 13. This is a two-digit number. So what will you do? Write 3 in the tens place and this 1 is carried forward to the hundreds place. Now what we should do now? Add the hundreds place now. 1 plus 9. Add 1 plus 9 and tell me the answer now, children. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 or 9 plus 1. 1 plus 9 is after 9. We are going to add only one number, right? 9 plus 1, 10. Now with this 10 add, what is the third number? 4. 10. Now shall we add this? 0 plus 4? Yes, 4. Then bring down this 1. So 10 plus 4 is 14. After 10 you are going to add 4 numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is a two-digit number. So write 4 in the hundreds place and carry over this 1 to the thousands place. Now shall we add the thousands place now? Yes. Add 1 plus 5 and tell me the answer now. Add 1 to 5 and tell me the answer now. After 1 you are going to add 5 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 1, if we add 1 to 5, the answer is 6. So with this 6, we are going to add 2. 6 plus 2, 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. It's a single digit number. So write that directly down below the thousands place now. So the answer is 8,435. Now what to do? While adding, you should first add the ones place. I've added 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 I've written here. 5 plus 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 I've written here and this 1 I've carried forward to the tens place. Now next is we have to add the tens place. 1 plus 3 is, first take the first two numbers. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 13 is again a two-digit number. So write 3 in the tens place and 1 is carried over to the next place. That means the hundreds place. Next one, add the hundreds place now. 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 4, 14. So 14. So 4, write it down the hundreds place and 1, this 1 is carried over to the thousands place. Now we are going to add the thousands place now. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So the answer is 8,435. Shall we move on to the next sum? Third sum, we are going to add 7,987 and 1,532. Shall we add this now? Yes. Question is 7,987, 1,532. How to add this? First, we'll add the ones place now. Shall we add this ones place now? We are going to add 7 and 2. And tell me the answer now. Add 7 and 2. Keep 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, we are going to add 2 numbers, right? 8, 9. So this is a single digit number. So write 9 directly. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So what we have to do next? There is no carry over. So they leave it. Then move on to the tens place now. Shall we add the tens place now? Yes. What are the numbers in the tens place? 8 and 3. Add 8 plus 3 and tell me the answer now. 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11. We are going to add 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 is 11. What we have to do? So write this one in the tens place and this one is carried over to the next place. That is the hundreds place. This one is carried over to the hundreds place. Now what we have to do? Add the hundreds place now. So we have 3 numbers are there. First add 2 numbers first. So shall we add 1 plus 9? Now add 1 plus 9 and tell me the answer now. Yes, you can add 9 plus 1 also. 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 9, 10. Very good. So after that what we have to do? We have to add the next number, right? So 5. With this 10, I am going to add 5. Add 10 plus 5. After 0 plus 5 is 5. If you add 0 to any number, the answer will be the same. So 0 plus 5 is 5. On this one when we carry it over here. So the answer is 10 plus 5, 15, or else 10 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is again a 2-digit number. So what we have to do? Write 5 in the hundreds place and this one is carried over to the thousands place. So next place is thousands, right? So now this one is carried over to the thousands place now. Shall we add the thousands place now? Yes. Now add 1 plus 7 and tell me the answer now. Or else 7 plus 1. You can add like this also. 7 plus 1. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. Now we are going to add one more to it. 8 plus 1. If you add 8 to 1, 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. If you add 8 to 1, the answer is 9. So what is the answer? 9,519. What is the answer? 9,519. So first what we have to do? Add the ones place. 7 plus 2 is 9. Write that directly. Then move on to the tens place. 8 plus 3 is 11. It's a 2-digit number. So what we have to do? Write 1 in the tens place and this one is carried over to the hundreds place. So I've carried over here. Then add the hundreds place now. So first take the first 2 numbers 1 and 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is again a 2-digit number. So write 5 here and this one is carried over to the thousands place now. Next thousands place. Add 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 9,519. Now we are going to add third D sum 6,666 and 9,876. Shall we add this? Question is, we are going to add 6,666 and 9,876. So what we have to do? First we are going to add the ones place. So 6 and 6. Now add and tell me the answer now, children. Add 6 to 6 and tell me the answer. You're going to tell me the answer now. Think and tell me. After, keep 6 in the mind and add 6 more to it. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you add 6 to 6, the answer is 12. So it's a 2-digit number. So what to do? Write 2 in the ones place and this one is carried over to the tens place. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 I am writing it here. 1 I am carrying over to the next place. That means the tens place. Now shall we add the tens place now? Yes. Add 1 plus 6. Or else 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. So 1 plus 6 is 7. With this 7, you're going to add 7 more to it. The third number is 7, right? So add and tell me now 7 plus 7. Keep 7 in the mind and 7 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. So it's a 2-digit number. So write 4 here and this 1 is carried over to the next place. That means the hundreds place. Now shall we add the hundreds place now? Yes. Add 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is again 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. Now with this 7, we are going to add what is the next number? 8. You are going to tell me the answer now. 7 plus 8. With 7, we are going to add 8 more to it. Keep 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. So what I should do now? It's a 2-digit number. So write 5 here and this 1 is carried over to the next place. That means the thousands place. It's a 2-digit number. So I'm writing 5 alone and this 1 is carried over to the next place. That means the thousands place. Shall we add the thousands place now? Yes. Now same again 1 plus 6. Add 1 plus 6. After 6 you are going to add 1. You can add like this also. You can change the order, right? 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. Then with this 7 I am going to add what is the next number? 9. Now tell me 7 plus 9, what is the answer? Keep 7 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is the answer? 16. So 6, I am writing it here. This 1 I am carrying over to the 10,000 place. So this carry over to the 10,000 place. And now shall we add the 10,000 place? Is there any number to add? No. So bring down this number directly, or else you can write 16 directly also. Yes? Understood now, children? So first what we have to do? First we have to add the ones place. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2 I am writing it here. 1 I have carried forward to the tens place. Now add the tens place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus, with that 7 I am going to add 7 more to it. 7 plus 7, 14. So it's a 2-digit number. So 14. 4 I am writing it and 1 I am carried over to the hundreds place. Now add the hundreds place now. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So 5 I am writing it here. 1 is carried over to the 10,000 place. Next add the 10,000 place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. So the answer is 16,542. What is the answer? 16,542. Next one. Add the following. 3,469 plus 1,829. We are going to add the 3,469 and 1,829. Shall we add this? Yes. For this what we have to do? We have to make a table. What we have to do? We have to make a table. We have to write the numbers in their exact places. Shall we write this? Yes. First take the first number. 3,469. So write 3,000. So 3 in the thousands place, 4 in the hundreds place, 6 in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. Yes. And next take the next number 1829. 1,829. What you have to do? So write 1 in the 1,800, right? So 1,000 in 1 in the thousands place, 8 in the hundreds place and 2 in the tens place, 9 in the ones place. Now what we are going to do? Shall we add this now? Yes. Now add first. How we should add? Add the ones place first. What numbers are there in the ones place? 9 and 9. Shall we add 9 plus 9? Now tell me 9 plus 9. 9 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 9 we are going to add 9 numbers, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. It's a 2-digit number. So what to do? Write 8 here and this 1 is carried over to the ones place, tens place. 1 is carried over to the tens place. Next place is the tens place, right? So carry over that 1 to the tens place. Now shall we add the tens place now? Yes. Now add 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. You can add 6 plus 1 also. 6 plus 1. After 6, you're going to add 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Now with the 7, we are going to add, what is the third number? 2. Add 7 plus 2. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. So it's a single digit number, so write that directly. So shall we move on to the next one? Hundreds place? Yes. Now 4 plus, there is no carry over, so add these two numbers, 4 plus 8, and tell me the answer now. Or else you can add 8 plus 4 also. 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. It's a 2-digit number. So what we should do now? Write 2 here, and this 1 is carried over to the thousands place. 1 is carried over to the next place, that is thousands place. Now shall we add the thousands place now? Yes. Now tell me 1 plus 3. What is the answer? If you add 1 and 3. After 1 you are going to add 3 numbers. 2, 3, 4. With this 4, we are going to add, what is the next one? 1. 4 plus 1. After 4, add 1 to it. 4 plus 1, 5. So write 5 down. So the answer is 5,298. And next we'll move on to the next sum. So the answer is 5,298. Shall we move on to the next sum? So I'll repeat it one more time. First we have to add the ones place. 9 plus 9 is 18. So 8 I've written here. 1 is carried over. Then we have to add the tens place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Then add the hundreds place. 4 plus 8. 12. So 2 I'm writing it here. 1 is carried over. Then add the thousands place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. The answer is 5,298. Next sum, we are going to add 6,148 and 8,790. We are going to add 6,148 and 8,790. So first what we should do, first we have to make a table like this and write the numbers in their exact places. So 6,000. So write 6 in the thousands place. So you are going to write 6 in the thousands place. 1 in the hundreds place. 100. So 1 in the hundreds place. 4 in the tens place. And 8 in the ones place. Now take the second number, 8790. 8,000. So 8 in the thousands place. 7 in the hundreds place, 9 in the tens place, and 0 in the ones place. Now shall we add this now? Now tell me 8 plus 0. We are going to add the ones place. 8 plus 0. If you add 0 to any number, what will be the answer? The number will be same. So 8 plus 0 is 8. So write down 8 here. 8 plus 0 is 8. Now move on to the next one. Move on to the tens place. 4 plus 9. We are going to add 4 and 9. And tell me the answer now, children. 4 plus 9. Keep 9, or else you can add 9 plus 4. Keep 9 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 9, we are going to add 4 numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is again a 2-digit number. So what to do? Write 3 here, and that 1 is carried forward to the next place. That means the hundreds place. Now what to do? Now add the hundreds place. Now shall we add the hundreds place now? Yes. 1 plus 1. Add 1 and 1. Keep 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 1, 2. With this 2, I am going to add, what is the next number? 7. 2 plus 7. After 2, you are going to add 7 numbers. So, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or else 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. So write it down. It is a single digit number. So write it down directly. Next move on to the thousands place. There is no carry over. So add 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. After 6, you're going to add 8 numbers, right? So after 6, keep 6 in mind. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's a 2-digit number, right? So 4, I'm writing it here. 1 you carry forward. Or else, is there any number to add? Nothing, right? So you can directly write. If there is no number to add, so you can directly write the 14. If it is a 2-digit number also, if there is in the next place there is no number to add, means you can write that number directly. So write 14 directly also. Clear? So the answer is 14,938. So what we have to do? First we have to add the ones place, then the tens. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Then the tens place, 4 plus 9, 13. 3 I'm writing it here. 1 is carried over to the next place, hundreds place. Then add the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So write that 9. Then add the thousand place. 6 plus 8, 14. There is no number to add, or else you can write directly like this also 14. No need to carry over also. 14 you can write directly. So the answer is 14,938. Find the following sums. Find the following sums. Here they are given 3 numbers to add for you. Shall we add this now? Yes. So first one, we are going to add 2,685, 1,340, 2,139. We are going to add 3 numbers. We are going to add 3 numbers. Shall we add this now? How to add 3 numbers? First take 2 numbers and from that answer, take the next number and add that. Shall we add this now? We'll see one. We are going to add 2,685, 1,340, 2,139. Find the following sum. Sum means addition. Shall we add? So first take the ones place. We are going to add the ones place now. Now add 5 plus 9. 5, 1, 9. 5 plus first add 2 numbers. 5 plus 0. If you add 5 plus 0, what will be the answer? 5. If you add 0 to any number, the answer will be the same. So 5. With this 5, we are going to add 9. 5 plus 9. After 5, we are going to add 9 numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Answer is 14. So write 4 here and this one you carry over to the next place. That means the tens place. Now shall we add the tens place now? Yes. Now add 1 plus 8. First take the first 2 numbers. 1 plus 8 or else 8 plus 1. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8 we are going to add only one number, 9. With this 9 add 4 more to it. After 9 I am going to add 4. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. With this 13 I am going to add 3 more to it. After 13, 14, 15, 16. Or else you can add like this. 3 plus 3 is 6. And this one. So the answer is 16. So write 6 here and 1 you carry over to the You have to carry over to the next place. That means the hundreds place now. Shall we add the hundreds place now? Next, first add the 1 and 6. 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1. 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. With this 7, we are going to add the next number 3. After 7, we are going to add 3 numbers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. With this 10, we are going to add 1 more to it. See, 1. Next number is 1. 10 plus 1 is... After 10, we are going to add 1 number. 10 plus 1, 11. So it's again a 2-digit number. So write 1 here. And this 1 is carried over to the thousands place. Shall we add the thousands place now? Yes. Now add 1 plus 2 and tell me the answer. With this 1. After 2, you are going to add 1 number. That means 3. So with this 3, the next number is 1. Add 3 plus 1. After 3, we are going to add 1 number. 3 plus 1 is 4. With this 4, add 2 more to it. 4 plus 2. After 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. So write what is the answer? 6,164. So first we have to add the ones place. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 5 plus 9, 14. 4 right here. 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now add the tens place. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 6 you write here. 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now add the hundreds place. 1 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 3, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 and again 1 is carried over. 1 plus 2, add the thousands place now. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So answer is 6164. And here is one worksheet for you. Add 7,871, 3,268, 4,262, 3,555, 7,262, 3,198. Practice well, children. Whatever sums I've given, you just practice well. Write all the sums in your notebook. Finish the worksheet. See you in the next class. Thank you.